In this problem, we're going to expand this using the properties of logarithms. So we'll start by using the quotient rule, which says whenever we have a fraction like this, it's just the log of the top piece minus the log of the bottom piece. So this is log base 2 of 2 square root 3 minus log base 2 of 5p. Okay, just log of the top minus the log of the bottom. And that always works when you have a fraction. So now we have a times here. And so when you have times, you use the product rule. The multiplication turns into addition. So this will become log base 2 of 2 plus log base 2 of the square root of 3. So multiplication turns into addition. Same thing over here. Now, this is going to become 2 logs. So I'm going to put a parentheses here and then carry it through here because we will have to distribute the negative 1 here. So it's log of the first factor plus, and then log of the second factor, just like that. So again, whenever you have a times, it turns into a plus. All right, let's keep going. Log base 2 of 2 is 1. Whenever these numbers match, you just get 1. Here, what we can do is we can take the square root of 3 and write it as an exponent. So this is log base 2 of 3 to the 1/2 minus log base 2 of 5, and then distribute it again. There's a minus 1 here, so minus log base 2 of p. All right, good stuff. Very last thing to do maybe is take this number and just bring it down using what's called the power rule. Basically says whenever you have an exponent there, you can just put it in the front. So this is 1 plus 1/2 log base 2 of 3 minus log base 2 of 5 minus log base 2 of p. And that would be the final answer.